So we're gonna pour some bagged chickpeas because I don't like cans. There's going. And 1/3 cup of tahini. And I just used an organic tahini and we're just drizzling that in. Now, just gonna knock it off just to get all the tahini out. There we go, perfect. Pouring in 1.5 lemons. I saved half, but I don't want it to be too lemony, so he's gonna pour that all in. Great job, Gordon. 1 teaspoon of salt. We might add a little bit more to taste, but 1 teaspoon of salt. A little bit of hot sauce, so maybe like 4 to 8 drops. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. I think we're good. Yep, we don't have to be too spicy. Okay, perfect. Put the lid on and Gordon is going to hit the low button to mix it. Oh, push down a little harder. Push, 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 push. There we go. And I'm gonna let it have a little bit of a chunky consistency. Is that good?
No, that's impossible. That's wrong! It's also spicy too.
A little spicy, but it's delicious. Look at me, smile.